on over here now. Come on over here. Look at me. Come on over to me. Stand there for a minute.
Behind him for a second. And then he decides.
Come on over to me.
Put your hands on your knees.
Come to me. Come to me. Hey. You did a digger. Okay, now you're going to come over this way. Point to me.
Look at mommy. That'll.
Fall down.
We learned something new. Whoa. Okay, point to me with your arm. Point to me.
We quite have the attention span.
Kim. Lift up one leg.
On purpose.
On purpose.